Welcome. In front of me is a SOUNDCORE Motion 100 and I'll be going over unboxing of this portable speaker. So let's just get straight into this. Okay, I think this will be easier. There we go. Come on. Oh. Okay. So it's the speaker, manual, Type C to Type C, charging cable, and that's it. So we have a plastic grill at the front with the logo. At the top we have another logo, power button, Bluetooth pairing, bass for the bass boosted kind of mode, volume down, volume up, and play and pause. Then at the bottom we have some rubber feet. At the back we have what looks to be just what is it? We have ported speakers, but I don't think this is ported. This looks more like a sealed one, so this probably would be, what do we call it, like a passive, what are the radiators, or what do we call them? So it's basically, I believe this is sealed, because it looks like there is something there, barely, but I think there is something there, so yeah. And we also have a fabric right here for like a clip, so you can, I don't know, maybe clip it to your backpack or something. So yeah, that's about it. I'm not going to be pairing it, but the booting sound sounds decent. Anyway, with that being said, I hope you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.